Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coolant additives available on the market for their true quality. These additives are designed to improve your vehicle's cooling system performance, prevent overheating, and protect your engine. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Barjan Supplemental Coolant Additive. While this product may be simple in its approach, it still serves as a reliable option for those looking to enhance their cooling system. The standout feature here is its straightforward design. It's a supplemental coolant additive, and that's exactly what it delivers. It doesn't promise fancy features, but it does provide a solid, functional solution for most vehicles. In terms of design and build quality, the product comes in a sleek black container with easy-to-use packaging. However, with limited information available about its specific formulation or additional benefits, it's hard to gauge its overall performance compared to other options on this list. It appears to work well as a basic coolant enhancer, but users may find themselves wanting more detailed specifications. The Barjan Supplemental Coolant Additive is ideal for those who are seeking a no-frills solution for their cooling system needs. However, with only one customer review so far, its reliability is hard to confirm. Pros include its simplicity and ease of use, but the cons are its lack of detailed product information and limited feedback from users. If you're looking for a basic option, this might work for you, but there are better rounded options ahead in this list. At rank number 4, the Nano Cool Antifreeze Coolant Additive by Nano MT brings a unique twist to the table with its use of advanced nanotechnology. This product is designed to boost heat transfer efficiency, claiming to lower engine temperatures by up to 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Its jet black appearance, due to suspended nanomaterials, is a visual indicator of its cutting-edge approach. The build quality is solid, with the additive packaged in a sturdy container for easy pouring. What makes Nano Cool stand out is its compatibility with all antifreeze types and its ability to naturally disperse throughout the cooling system. However, its performance varies depending on the engine type and cooling system setup. While the nanotechnology is impressive, some users have noted that results can be inconsistent, particularly in older vehicles. Nano Cool is perfect for tech-savvy consumers who want to push the boundaries of standard coolant performance. Its pros include innovative heat transfer capabilities and universal compatibility, but its cons are the relatively high price point and mixed customer reviews. With a rating of 3.9 stars, this product is intriguing, but may not be the most reliable option for everyone. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Smilyeez BG Universal PN546 Coolant Additive. This product offers a comprehensive set of benefits, including preventing leaks, overheating, rust, and scale formation, making it a well-rounded choice for vehicle owners. It also extends the life of your cooling system, which is a critical factor for those looking to preserve their engine's health over the long term. The design is practical, and it even comes with a pocket screwdriver, a thoughtful touch for DIY enthusiasts. The container is compact and easy to store, and the additive itself is formulated to deliver consistent results. Performance-wise, users have praised its ability to regulate engine temperatures effectively, though some have mentioned that it may require repeated use in high-stress environments. This product is ideal for those who want a versatile and reliable coolant additive that covers all the basics. Pros include its multifunctional approach and added value with the pocket screwdriver, but cons include its slightly higher weight and limited reviews, 4.5 stars from 17 ratings. It's a solid mid-tier option that balances performance and practicality. At rank number 2, the Genuine Ford Fluid VC8 Diesel Cooling System Additive is a top-tier option for Ford owners and enthusiasts. As a genuine OEM product, it's specifically designed to meet the standards of Ford vehicles, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. One of its standout features is that it does not contain ethylene glycol, which is great for those concerned about environmental impact. The design and build quality are exactly what you'd expect from a Ford product. Durable and reliable. The packaging is compact and easy to handle, with a 16-ounce size that's perfect for most use cases. Performance-wise, This additive excels in diesel engines, providing effective cooling and rust prevention. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from 156 reviews, it's a trusted choice for many consumers. This product is ideal for Ford vehicle owners who want a high-quality additive tailored to their system's needs. Pros include its genuine OEM status and compatibility with diesel engines, while cons include its limited use cases for non-Ford vehicles. It's a premium pick for a specific audience, and its reputation speaks for itself. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.